why cabinet restyling is Colorado's smartest kitchen upgrade. As the holidays approach, many Colorado families are preparing to open their homes for dinners, celebrations, and memories made in the kitchen. But if yours is feeling a little dated, well, now might be the perfect time for a refresh. Did you know that 40% of a kitchen remodel's cost is just cabinets? A complete kitchen cabinet replacement can cost anywhere between $10,000 to $35,000 or more. It'll also take weeks to complete, leaving dust and chaos in a room that your family uses every day. What if you could get a refresh? Then that would cut you time and costs nearly half without having to tear your cabinets out. Colorado homeowners want beautiful kitchens, but not the dust, the delays, or the massive bills. Restyling keeps your strong cabinet boxes and upgrades the faces only. You get new doors, drawers, and trim without demolition or plumbing changes. With materials like Duracor and V32 laminate, you get durability, heat resistance, and a lifetime warranty. HomePride's cabinet restyling is comparably priced, installs in just days, and will recoup up to 96% of its cost in resale value back into your home. Why replace what's solid? Restyle it. Save money, save time, and love your kitchen again sooner. Visit homepridebath.com to schedule your free consultation today.